In this video, I want to illustrate how to create a revision of a journey. Now that my journey is complete, I have no warnings. I can click publish. Now my journey is live. However, I've decided now that I want to make some changes to this journey. So right now I could do a few things. I could click on the cogwheel up here. I could pause the journey. I could end the journey. Or I could duplicate this journey and start over. However, one of the things that we've done in Cinch is we've made it so that you can change this journey without losing any of the data that's come through this and be able to build on top of it. So really unique feature. We're pretty proud of it. Hopefully you can find some benefit in it as well. As you'll see over here next to the name of the journey, you'll have a draft view, a published view, and you'll be able to see revisions. Currently we just have the one revision. That's all we've created. So I'm going to go and I'm going to jump into draft view. So now that I'm in draft view, I can go ahead and I can manipulate some things here. So if I want to say, well, I want to send 2 text messages, for example. I don't know why I would, but maybe that's what we want to do. Or even better, let's say instead of this one, let's go ahead and let's try 2 different messages. So let's do an A/B test. And we'll just do a 50-50 A/B test. And you can learn more about our A/B testing features in another video. But so now I have group A, group B. So now I'm like, okay, well, let's add a message to this because there's an attention sign there. And now I've made some alterations to this journey. Now I want to publish it. So I'm going to click Publish Journey Draft. Well, this pops up and this gives me 2 options. I can either choose to close it or I can choose to stop it. The difference between close and the difference between stop. Let's explain these a little bit because they can get a little confusing. Close it means I'm going to close this journey so that nobody else is going to enter the original revision or the previous revision. Nobody new will enter it, but everybody that was already in it, they're going to continue to flow through it. So they'll complete what you currently already were running. If I stop it, then I'm saying, okay, nobody new is going to come into that previous revision and nobody's going to keep going in that previous revision. Everybody's just going to stop where they're at. So they won't complete anything else. So you can choose between those two. I typically prefer close it because I want everybody to finish the journey process that I had previously built. There might be some features that you've added later on. Like in this instance, maybe I want everybody that's already kind of going through this flow to now go through that A/B test. So in this case, I would actually stop it because I changed things later on in the journey. And so I want everybody to be able to experience that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And then only the new people come in or whatever. So you really have to kind of weigh the options. But again, everybody that was already in the journey before, they're going to stop where they were at. They're not going to pick up. So until they have another transaction, they're not going to come back into this journey. So in this case, we'll choose stop it. But you could choose either one, prefer whichever you want. So we're going to hit submit. And now we have the new revision. So we can see revision number 2, published today. And it's live. It's going. All the numbers are going to be reset. In another video, we'll show you revisions and walk through that. So